Hello guys, welcome to my channel Lochani on this beautiful Saturday afternoon. Guys, Umseleko is complaining about Usamke's dressing, saying ukbana Usamke, she wears very short and tight dresses. If you remember, we came to the dinner when we first saw her on the screens. Umselek was even asking her, Bana, are you dressed as someone's wife? And then she replied saying, Bana, I tried. So from what I understand, Bana Umselek doesn't want Bana amakhosikazi akhe dress in tight clothes, doesn't want pants. They're not allowed to wear amabhulukwe. And phela Umseleko must understand ukubana bathungu uSamke is a 25-year-old living in 2025. weSamke niyazibona lezi zinto zokuchata nabo tata benu. And the other thing also, it's like I kind of feel sorry for her, Shem. Ukubana you are coming from your father's house where there were rules. You didn't even try and enjoy that freedom of living alone, doing whatever that you want, going to parties and come back at 3 a.m. and no one questions you because you stay alone. You are enjoying the freedom of your life, guys. Like sometimes there can be a party at work, it can be a family function, you can go there and you don't have to answer to anyone. You do not have to answer to anyone. It can be a wedding. You know, wedding sometimes nama late hours nje, that's when like the real wedding starts and kuba mandi ke lapho. So we can, even if we remember, Umseleko was always and forever fighting Nomakhumalo because he married Umakhumalo also at a very young age. I think she was also like still younger than Usamke, because he also had to consistently, like all the time, constantly fighting with the way Umakhumalo dresses. I remember last time when they went for a family hiking, or it was a family holiday, she was wearing like these short black ties and he was fuming ukubana njani kaloku uzofaka leskindi sebhlukwe ukubana you are showing everything, you're showing your ass, you're showing nje everything, it's being seen out there and you are someone's wife. He was fuming and Umakhumalo was like, this is what I wear even if when I'm going to the gym, and it's like ma'am, not acceptable. So we can see Lana, when they had the first dinner, Usamke was wearing like this green ruffled dress at the top where it was covering, so it was like a one shoulder sleeveless, and then on the other side it was like a boob tube dress, and it was slightly showing her cleavage. I guess Umseleko did not approve that dress because that was the dress in questioning Yokbana. Are you dressed as a Mseleko Makoti? Do you think this kind of dressing qualifies Kamseleko? And apparently, Kausemzumbe, you're not even allowed to wear pants. You can't walk in the homestead of Umzumbe in pants. So I remember Umseleko saying ukubana uMacele must teach Usamke how to dress properly. So Usamke ngoku they must do shopping noMacele ukubana ambonise ukubana that's a yes, that's a no, that's a yay, nay. So you can see sometimes, like when she comes, you can see, I remember there was someone saying ukubana ay unumber 5 ngathi akana style. I think it's that thing yokuthi nje unokuya nje empahleni zikama wakhe athi hayi today I'm gonna go and wear this since I'll be going there, not ukubana it will be her clothes. It looks like kuyabe kuyimpahla zikama wakhe okanye zakamamncinci wakhe, like someone's clothes, because they look so big, not that she doesn't have a style. You can see on some of your videos, I guess those are the clothes that are not allowed for her to be wearing them because they are too tight. If you wanna continue okanye if you wanna qualify to be ikhosikazi lakwaMseleko, you must dress accordingly. You wear ruffled dresses that are long, I guess above your knees, and you must cover your boobs. You do your hair. So I guess her trying wasn't enough, because you can see Umseleko was like fuming with the dressing of Khumalo. At you be telling someone those pants are too tight, and then bona they will turn back and still reply to you no, right le blue after you telling them this thing it's too tight on you. You guys, imitshato, I guess it does come with a lot also, like the rules and regulations of how to dress, how to look like. It's not like you going to the office you can just look formally. You have to look formally. At the same time, you mustn't be showing skin. It mustn't be too tight. So we can see the eye rolling queen. I guess every time they mention that, she's like, yo, whatever, makehla. You can see Shem on a day-to-day basis. She looks cute in a blue dress here. You can see, and Ibile it's showing cleavage, which is, I guess, one of the other things that are not allowed as well. You can see when she was wearing that pink dress when she was celebrating her 11/11, so she was wearing this pink cute dress. You could see it was maybe a bit too short for someone's wife, but if you are celebrating, even if you are with your man, you can still wear something cute and small, and I guess at the Mseleko homestead, it is not allowed. It is not allowed. Like you going from one rule, from imithetho yokomunye umzi to eminye imithetho ephindwe kahlanu, nkosi yami, ephindwe kahlanu. You can wear this, you can do this, you can anyway. I guess that's the joys of being married to such cultured man who believes in polygamy. Obviously, you will still believe ukbana no cleavages, no pants, because he's the only man there. He needs to wear pants in conversation and wear pants in his day-to-day. He does not want anyone else wearing pants. Now you would think ukbana hayibo, am I being challenged ke ngoku? Am I being challenged? So no cleavage for you. Some gay. You can see the way Umacele dresses. She does dress properly. Even Umangwabe, Nomayen, Ibile Pela, these people are slightly on the other side of our generation. So it's understandable, man. It's understandable. Yeah, you can see Khumalo, she's the one who dresses fancy. Like girl, she's like, I'll try, but I'll see Bananza So yeah, awesome. Mseleku is not happy with that picture of the pink dress that she even posted, even though it was like only a wallpaper. You could see it, you could not really see it, but it was there and the world saw it. I'm sure it was mostly of like, I've told you, Bana, you must dress properly. Now you are still showing the world, Bana, when unenkani, you do what you want. You dress on how you want, not on how you are commanded. What do you guys think, Mbosiam? What do you guys think? Do you guys think, Bana, some case dressing, it's not, she is not properly dressing as someone's wife? Because kaloku lo mntu ulotyolwe ngo-2023, so she is officially umfazi kaMseleku. So I think it's high time ke ntombi she will start dressing properly like a proper Mseleku wife. Cover up here and there, here and there, cover up the cleavage and not too tight, I guess. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Bana, is Mseleku being unfair to Samke because she's young? She needs to look, she needs to dress trendy. Let me know, what do you guys think? Let me know, what do you guys think? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, and enjoy your weekend. I hope you guys are having an awesome weekend. Thank you. Bye.